Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these gorgeous mermaid nails. So I went ahead and I filled and prepped her nails, and then I'm going to ombre two colors together. So the first color is going to be Madame Glam's Evening Teal. This is a pretty dark teal color. And then the second one we're going to use is Madame Glam's Seafoam. This is a lighter, brighter teal. So these two are very similar as far as like shade family, so they'll blend nicely together. So I'm going to do this look on her ring fingers and her thumbs. So we're going to start off with the darker evening teal, and we're going to apply it to the cuticle area. And then we're going to take the lighter seafoam color and apply it to the tip. And then I'm going in with a brush, and I'm just kind of blending the colors a little bit together. Now, this blend does not have to be perfect. It does not need to be a perfect ombre, because I am going to put glitter and stamping on top, so you can't even tell. So I went ahead and I cured the first layer of the ombre look, and then I went ahead and I did a second layer. And then on the rest of the fingers, so the pinky, middle, and pointer finger, I just applied 2 coats of the seafoam, the lighter teal color. And in case anyone is wondering about my nails, I do have a tutorial. I will leave it in the link down below. These are pink linework nails. These came out super cute. I love this set. So the glitter I'm going to use on top of the ombre is from Michaels. It is Recollections Turquoise Blue. This one is a super pretty, like teal multicolor holographic fine glitter. And so I'm going to take an old clean it brush that I use for glitters now, and I'm going to pick up that turquoise blue color, and I'm going to pat it into the tacky layer. I'm going to do it just on the top, on the darker teal, and fade that into the lighter teal. And I did not get it on film, but after I pushed in the glitter into the tacky layer, I did go ahead and top coat those nails, and then I went in, and here you can see I'm doing a second coat of the seafoam on the rest of the nails.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
And now I'm going to go in and apply that stamp for the mermaid scale. So I'm going to be using a plate from Bundle Monster. It is BM XL211. And then for stamping polish, I'm going to be using Sally Hansen's Insta-Dri in white. And I am using my clear jelly stamper Big Bling stamper. And here you can see that the stamp did not transfer to the nail. This is because I top coated the nails and I did not remove that tacky layer before stamping. So when working with gels, you always want to remove the tacky layer before you apply your stamp, otherwise the stamp will not transfer completely. So totally forgot, so I removed the stamp and the tacky layer, and we'll try this again. And so here's what the nails look like with all the color down and the stamp on. They're looking super cute, but we wanted to add just a little touch of something else. So we're going to add some bling. And as always, I'm going to use my Stay Put jelly from Daily Charm. And the Swarovski crystals we're going to use is white opal, and then I believe the other two are from Creations. So we're going to use the gold seashells and then some gold caviar beads. And the pattern I decided to do was the gold seashell in the middle, and then capped on either side with the white opal crystals, and then underneath I create a little outline with the gold caviar beads. And so I did this on both of her middle fingers. And now it's time for top coat. So I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here is how the mermaid nails turned out. They are super cute, very bright, perfect for summer. It looks like she's ready to go on vacation. I feel like this was a fun and simple design, yet it is so cute and outstunning. Everyone's gonna stop her to look at her nails. And you guys will have to let me know down below which mermaid design you liked better, these ones from this tutorial or my pastel mermaid nails that I did in a previous tutorial. I will leave a link down below for that video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye!